Hello everyone and welcome to a new video of your Polyglot Academy. In this new series where we're going to attempt to learn German as fast as possible. Today we're going to focus on how you ask for the time and for the age of someone, so let's go. Now, in order to ask what time is it, in German you would simply say wie spät ist es, which literally means how late is it. So it's kind of a way to ask what time is it, but another way is simply to ask the hour directly, so you would say wie viel Uhr ist es? Now, in order to answer, you would simply say es ist, and then you would can say the time of the day. So, for example, if it's 11 o'clock, then you would simply say es ist 11 Uhr, which means it's 11. Now, following on, in order to say, for example, that it's 10:30 or 30 past 10, then there are two ways to say that. Either you say es ist 10:30 Uhr, which literally means that it's 10:30, so that is very similar to the way you say it in English. Or you would say es ist 10:30, which literally means that we have still 30 minutes till it's 11 o'clock. So that is a way that the Germans often use in order to talk about what time is it. So that might be useful as well. So now you know that there are two ways in order to say that. Now, in order to say that it's, for example, 11:20 or 20 past 11 or 11:15, 11:10, so in order to say it in a more specific way, then you would say es ist 20 nach 11. And in this case, we have a form which is very particular because it is basically the same as in English. In English, you would say it is 20 past 11. In German, you say es ist 20 nach 11, where the words, how we are forming it in German is basically the same. We're saying 20 is 20, then past, which means nach, and then we're saying 11, which means 11. So that is basically the same thing. And in order, for example, to say that it's 22:11 or 10:40, structure is also very similar to English because you say es ist 20 vor 11. And if you look at the meaning of these words, you can say that 20 means 24, means 2, 11 means 11. So as we're going to summarize it, just like in English, where we use nach, past, and vor, to. So that's basically the same. You just say it like in English. Now, of course, there are some other important expressions, such as, for example, Viertel, which means quarter. And another way to say the time, a more easier way, and that's actually how you would say in English also in the spoken language in a more informal way. Saying it's 10:25, then you would say in German, es ist 10:25 Uhr, so you're literally repeating the process. You're saying the time and then the minutes. So that's basically the same. Now, another topic which is quite important is the preposition we use in order to tell the time. And in German, in order to give a time indication, we use the preposition And here you can see an example. Wann kommt er? Er kommt 20:15, which literally means when does he come or when is he coming? He comes at 20:15. So by using the preposition which in English means at, we are giving a time indication. In order to end this lesson successfully, here are some exercises. Try to do them and please write in the comments your solutions and I will give you direct feedback to that. Now, I'm also going to teach you how to ask the age of someone, but it is very straightforward. In German, you would ask, wie alt bist du? Which means, how old are you? Which is basically the same as you're asking in English. And if you are in a more formal environment, then you're going to say, wie alt sind sie? Because you're talking with someone who you may not know. And that also means, how old are you? And in order to answer that, you would just say your age as in English. So in this case, ich bin 43 Jahre alt. I'm 43 years old. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed the lesson, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more content. And I will see you next time. Have a nice day.